So we're going to do a video about how not to package something. Somebody sent me an amp, and let me show you the ridiculous packing materials they used. First, we got a pretty large size bath towel. Then we got another bath towel. And then we have this colorful bath towel. Then we got this giant, super sized moving blanket that you would like maybe put in a furniture truck if you were going to be moving your house. So that was in here too, but there's more. So we got this fancy Dr. Pepper 12-pack box. We got this hard styrofoam all around the edges of it. So in here we have, oh my God, we have freaking shag bath mat. And a throw pillow. We've got another shag bath mat. And then finally we got this box that's made out of like flushable wipes and a Diet Dr. Pepper box and some cardboard and duct tape that was around the amp. And then finally, there's like some layers of bubble wrap and a cocoon of styrofoam. Yeah, this is not how you package something.